Cynic for Elite Reviews and more. Today, sorry, it's not a action figure review. It's a tool I received from Christmas, and now I will show you the mini Rotary tool, this little thing. So stay tuned, I will show you the tools. Hey, welcome back. So yeah, like I said, today I will show you the mini Rotary tool. This is the instruction manual. It's really simple. You have engraving bits, resin cutting wheels, screw mandrel, sanding disc, sanding sleeve, felt wheel, collet, I don't know, grinding bits, screwdriver, wire brush, drum mandrel, self-drilling mandrel, drill bits, steel cutting wheel. Yeah, so in this page is the instruction. So it's very simple. First, yeah, this on off here. This thing you push the bottom, turn, and you can switch the collet. I don't know if it's the good word in English. You have three kind of this. Just a minute. So you have, there are two collets include 2.3 millimeters and 3 millimeters. The collet in the tool is 3 millimeters. Most of the bits are 3 millimeters except the drill bit, which is 2.3 millimeters. So you need to change the collet to 2.3 if you are going to use the drill bit. So you have, this is the smallest collet is for the drill bit, and the others is for every other stuff on the box. So you have this. So it's really easy. You put it back like that. Sorry, you have hair. Only doing this. And this, it's not necessary to explain that. It's just, I don't know. So it in this Fenty model. So yeah, and you have the power cord to plug. Come with, I think this is the resin disc. It's a small piece. So with this you can't, you can cut resin cutting wheels. So you can cut resin. So you have a bunch of this. Like I said, you have a lot. And you have, I will try to don't. So, and you have sandpaper, I think it's that. Sanding disc, yeah. So, sanding disc. Like the resin disc cutting, you have a lot of, sorry, fuck myself. So you have a lot, and just put it there, back. In the box, we have drill bit, 2. So with this, you need to use 2.3 millimeters collet. This one. You have I think with that you put the the sanding sleeves, and you just sand your project. So this, you need to unscrew, put the sanding sleeve, screw back, and perfect to use. We have this. Sorry, I will just put it on the table. So you have a big one, and you have a small one. So this too is drum mandrel. You have this is grinding bits. So this, you have this one. You have the wrong, like a lollipop. You have this, and the last one, this small piece. You have, just a minute. It's a small box. Okay. You have engraven bits. These 3. It's a very small piece. So you have this round. It's very, very, very small piece. You have this sharp engraven bits. It's like shining like a diamond. And you have this cylinder engraving bits. Oh, I will put in the good spot. We have the screw mandrel. We have the self-drilling mandrels. We have the wire brush. And you have the screwdriver. It's a small screwdriver. You have 2 other collet. So I think this is the same. No, the smallest one is 2.3, and this is 3 millimeters. So we have 2 collets. You have I don't know how to use this. It's a felt wheel. I don't know how to use this. If you know, let me know. But me, I don't know. It's soft. And we have a small one here. I will put the. So we have. Oh, I find it. Sorry. We have two. Oh, two. Hey, come on. Go inside the box. We have two small steel cutting wheel. So just watch out. I think this is not for children. It's a small cutting wheels. So we have two. I have two in the box. And finally we have bigger sanding sleeve for a big one, and we have small one. Like this one. I think the stuff I will have fun with it, I think is the engraving, the grinding bits, or the engraving bits, and maybe steel cutting. So I'll pause the video and I will show you just an example with the drill bits. Stay tuned. Welcome back. So I put the drill bits. If you see. So I have this piece of cardboard or like a toilet paper. So I will try. Really easy. No, I will not drill my table. So it's good. I will try it on a piece of foam. For sure, this will be more easy to so not very difficult to use. Just after that you need to clean the bit. It's not hot. So this is the review of the Fenty mini rotary tool, and I know this is not Dremel, but this is less expensive, and maybe someday we'll change and buy Dremel. So stay tuned for another, and I hope the next will be an action figure review. Bye.